welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Myntra Kurti haul. It's been long since I have done a kurti haul and you guys know my love for kurtis. Before we jump into the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. The spring season has officially sprung on us and that's why I am here to share with you a very colorful kurta haul. The first kurti that I have here today is this pretty kurti in my favorite color, which is pink. This pink instantly attracted me towards it. I love the combination of pink and white over here. Definitely screams summer according to me, and I love how pretty it looks. The color is very pleasant and very spring summer appropriate. The material is not the absolute best, but it works given the price of it. You wouldn't feel uncomfortable in it. For hot summer days, this is a kurta that you can definitely consider having. I also love the beautiful print which is going on at the front section. So if you are someone who goes to college or work, or if you love collecting kurtas in general, then you can definitely pick this one up. It is quite affordable, very colorful, very pretty, and a very simple yet very beautiful straight cut kurta. Loving the feel and the style of it. Moving ahead to the next kurta, which is this beautiful yellow colored kurta, and I love how pretty it looks. It is again a straight cut kurta. The material is very much similar to that of the previous kurta. At the hem you can see this beautiful print which definitely changes the game, and all in all it's a very comfortable, very pretty kurta. The color is absolutely amazing and it's a fit for spring summer days, and again a kurta which is work appropriate and which is college appropriate as well. This kurta definitely flatters your figure, and the combination of these beautiful design, polka dots and the color definitely makes it a very simple yet elegant kurta. I am very much impressed with the amazing print and color of it, as you can tell, and I would highly recommend you all to pick this one up. Moving on to the next piece, which is this colorful kurta which has got majorly pink color in it. When I saw this, I instantly fell for the combination of colors. It has this striped details going throughout the kurta. Now it is an A-line kurta and you can wear it as a dress as well. It has got a tie and dye sort of effect, but not entirely like so, but definitely has some twist to it. I am very much in love with this kurta. The feel is absolutely amazing. It's very comfortable and apt for summer days. If you work long hours in office or college, then definitely I would suggest go ahead and get this one. The best part is that you can wear it as a dress or you can wear it as a kurta because of the amazing A-line cut it has, and the color is so very subtle. Pattern is very unique, and if you like these sort of kurtas which has got a rustic vintagey feel to it, then definitely go ahead and pick this one up. I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing all these amazing kurtas in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Next up is another floral piece which has got an A-line cut to it. I got it because I knew I would be wearing it mostly as a dress. It is sleeveless and it comes with a cute pocket at the right side, and I love it so much. It is very summer appropriate, as you can tell. The fabric is very comfortable. If you are fine with wearing sleeveless kurtas or dresses, then you can go ahead and pick this one up. Let's see what we have next. This kurta, which is very pretty. I love the sleeves. It has got bell sleeves, as you can see. Anything and everything which has got bell sleeves, I fall for those kind of kurtas, and this is one of them. And I'm loving the print it has. It is very comfortable, you guys. It doesn't appear to be very comfortable, but in person it feels really cozy and comfortable, and I think this is a kurta which can be worn during the daytime as well as during the night time because of the amazing print it has. You can go ahead and wear it during occasions as well and your daily days. You can dress it up and dress it down according to occasion. It has got slits at the sides and it is very pretty to look at. I didn't have a kurta which has got this sort of a color combination. It has got hints of purple, blue and golden, and all in all it looks very pretty and it definitely flatters your figure. I think this will make a very beautiful evening wear. If you ask me, I'm definitely going to be wearing it as a regular casual wear as well, and I think this is a very versatile kurta. I would highly recommend you all to pick this one up. That's all for today's video, you guys. Let me know in the comment section which kurta was your favorite, and if you have any other video recommendations, do leave them in the comment section because you guys know I love hearing from you all. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.